The following segment is sponsored by Creature Comforts Veterinary Resort and Suites.
Welcome back. We're coming up on National Pet Dental Health Month in February. And while dogs aren't known for having the freshest breath, that odor could actually signal a health problem. Craig Lambert and Dr. Donna Lambert are with us this morning from Creature Comforts Veterinary Resorts and Suites, along with their dog Lily. Welcome to you all. Hey, Lily.
Thank you.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you. The American Veterinary Medical Foundation says periodontal disease is the most common clinical condition in cats and dogs, but it's extremely preventable, right?
Yes, absolutely. Almost all dogs have it, and most dogs by the age of 1 have it. So.
And is it true we can teach a dog or a cat to accept a daily toothbrushing?
Yes, you can. You can start with just toothpaste on your finger. They make special dog toothpaste. It's flavored with chicken or beef, so they like the flavor. Just start gently rubbing, get them used to it, and then you can gradually work up to a brush.
And just the fact that you're moving along their teeth helps to remove some of that particle that hangs on.
It's a very silent problem. You don't always know it's there, but it's probably there.
And your veterinarian has all kinds of products for dental health. Chews,
Rinses,
water additives.
Little wipes that you can put on your finger and rub the teeth with. They're really, really easy. Super easy.
A lot of options.
So dog breath isn't just part of the deal we have to get used to.
Dog breath equals bacteria equals disease. If you smell odor, it's not normal.
There's something happening there. Really quick, coming out of our last story about the cat Milo, you said microchipping really is one of the most effective things you can do?
Yeah, well, the statistics are that 85% of microchip pets find their way home. I mean, you know, when you just stop and think about that, you know, it's pretty incredible. It's like an 18-month-old child being found and being able to get them back home when they can't even communicate well, you know, where they live. So it's very important. It's easy to do.
And the fact is, when they're finally picked up, somebody's going to sweep for that chip, and if it's there, Milo's coming home.
Well, even if they're stolen, they're going to take them to a veterinarian as a new pet, and they're going to scan them.
That too.
And it's a universal scanner, and all of a sudden it'll pop up, hey, this pet belongs to someone else.
It's about the size of a grain of rice, so you don't even feel it.
It's simple and painless. Always a good thing to remind people about. Let's talk dental services. What are the services you provide at Creature Comforts?
We do just preventative cleaning. We do dental x-rays to look at the teeth and the gums and the teeth roots, all those things that you can't see on the surface. We do extractions. We do pretty much everything except root canals.
Okay. Yeah. And for people who don't know your history, you two opened Creature Comforts Veterinary Resort and Suites in 2008. It's grown into a 47-room pet hotel with luxury suites inside a great daily veterinary clinic with a huge day camp business. Craig, tell us what sets your facility apart.
Yeah, I mean, day camp is so critical because of the socialization. Dogs are social creatures. A lot of times there's a dog like Lily just living with 1 or 2 people in a home and doesn't get out a whole lot. But it's amazing to watch a dog become a dog, and that's what day camp does for them. But cage-free boarding, again, it's a lot less stressful. We got specific suites set up for cats. We do a lot of cat things. Climbing areas, hammocks, that kind of thing.
I'm looking at it now.
Oh, great, yeah. So they, you know, ledges, things they can do, ways they can get up high, they love that. So very special rooms for cats and very special rooms for dogs.
It's really neat to see in this day and age when people treat their pets like members of the family, that they can go to a place like that and be treated like guests at a luxury resort.
That's our goal.
Thank you.
That's for sure. Well, in the coming weeks, we'll be turning to you for advice on all things animal. We'll talk about ways to keep your pet healthy, maybe some signs to look for if they're not. Anything that you want to squeeze in before we let you go today?
Brush your dog's teeth.
Brush your dog's teeth. Pet Dental Health Month coming up.
10% off on dental services at our facility next month. Yeah. Even if you book it this month and don't do it until March, you know, we're going to try to spread that, and it's popular every year.
Wow.
Tons of dental procedures being performed in the next 8 to 12 weeks for us, and a lot of healthy dogs and cats.
And dogs can't speak. They can't tell you when their mouth hurts. So you have to be your dog's advocate and have them examined.
Are there any signs we look for aside for just, you know, smelling that dog breath when your dog has something?
Maybe a little blood in their saliva, or you may see blood on their chew toys, in their drinking water. Maybe they don't want to chew on one side of the mouth. Maybe they don't want to be touched along the face or the head. Sleeping excessively, all those can be signs of pain in the mouth.
And they may be snippy, like they've never been snippy before. You touch their face and they try to bite you, but that's their only way to tell you that I'm in pain, a lot of pain.
Yeah, it hurts. Dental pain is very real for pets, just like for people. They just can't speak about it. They
They're
can't
just
tell
tougher
you.
than us.
They're real tough, and they can't tell you. But if you bring them in for a checkup, you'll know what's going on and be able to head toward a solution.
Lily had a broken tooth that I didn't know about until
Really?
I brought her in for her cleaning, and I had no idea. She did not tell me.
Really?
And I was shocked, and I felt like a terrible dog mom. But, you know, we're all human, and that's why we take care of our babies'
And
teeth.
the dental exam is free, like the free checkup. If you want to call our facility, you can set that up. We'll examine your dog and cat's mouth and give you an idea of what we think is wrong or not wrong.
Perfect. Well, I think any pet would look forward to that visit. To learn more about Creature Comforts Veterinary Resort and Suites in Inman, you can go online to the website on your screen, or you can visit or you can go call them 472-1790. Craig and Donna Lambert, thanks so much for being here today. We look forward to having you back soon.
Thank you.
Always. Thank you.
We'll send it back to you in the studio.